Everyone, how's it going? Today, I'm going to show you guys how you can win a dispute over your credit report. So, first thing, you need to get your credit reports, whether you are through Equifax, Experience, or TransUnion. These are the major bureaus. Make sure you do not get your credit report from a third party software because that is going to be false. So, just do any of these three. But I can tell you another best thing is that if you go to annualcreditreport.com, you'll be able to get your free copies from each site once per year. So I would say get all three because sometimes one site might give a false data. So three would be really good. Another thing is that you can go through the reports, and if there is anything that is suspicious or inaccurate, let's say on your Equifax, it says you made a transaction that you didn't do and it is actually not present on the other two. So you can report that hey, I didn't do it. It's on Equifax by mistake because it's not on the other two, and this is how you can confirm it. Next up, you can easily compose dispute letters by drafting all of these information that you can go through a first glance, and then you need to send your dispute letters by a certified mall, and then if it gets rejected, you can even file an appeal, submit any sort of additional proof, and complain to the CFPB. Finally, I would say if it's actually extremely serious, you can even get a consumer protection lawyer. I'd say get a good background check on them, how many cases they've won, they've lost, why did they lose the ones. But these are the ways how you can win it. If you are truly honest, then all the evidence will be in support of you. So there's no need for you to be scared. So be confident, go confidently, and win your case. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.